Happy New Year and welcome back to the PharMore Money Channel. Today we're going to look at Starbucks and why it's going to continue to run up in 2021. So as you can see on this chart here that I've shown, Starbucks went through a very low point, obviously with the pandemic. Stock dropped to an all-time low, and then it has just steadily climbed back up. As of 12/31/2020, it was trading around $100, which is just awesome and just phenomenal. And I just believe that this thing is going to keep and continue to run up and up. I honestly believe that there is a huge case for why this will continue to be one of the most bullish stocks of 2021. So as you all know, the COVID-19 impact was extremely significant on Starbucks. Not only did they have consistent store closures and social distancing measures that basically led to revenue dropping over 11% in fiscal 2020, but on top of that, earnings also fell 73% for fiscal 2020. But here's the cool part. Starbucks stock was up 17% year to date, basically outperforming the S&P 500, and it recently hit a new all-time high as well. So I know a lot of people are probably thinking that the stock is overvalued, but here's why they're wrong. So as we already talked about, the pandemic did a huge number on Starbucks revenue, profits, operating margin, the list goes on. But one place that Starbucks succeeded even during the darkest of times this past year in 2020, was the digital push. They added artificial intelligence to digital drive-through menus, and basically it allows the menu to make product recommendations based on a store's location, weather, time of day. Now they're only beta testing this in a few locations around the United States, but they expect it to improve customer experience and help better manage store inventory. Now let me just get this straight. If this pans out, it would boost revenue and improve cash flow beyond belief and make this company even more profitable. Another place where Starbucks has consistently succeeded has been in the rewards program game. They continue to gain traction throughout 2020. This looks extremely promising both because it indicates increasing customer engagement and because customers typically spend more after joining the Starbucks loyalty program. I think the rate was around 5 to 10x more. Starbucks pickup option is also another unique thing that they came out with, which allows Starbucks rewards members to order and pay from the app directly, just setting itself apart even in the darkest of times like we went through during the height of the pandemic, March through May. All right, PharMore Money family. So we went through all the items that make Starbucks a very attractive buy as we start this new year 2021, and we're trying to build our portfolios and just generate that wealth, right? We want to grow it over this upcoming year, basically. I am extremely bullish on Starbucks, and here's the reasons why. We've got the vaccine already rolled out in different countries, United States, across the world, right? And as we continue into phases 2, 3, 4 of vaccinating the entire public, it's only going to allow more of a normalcy to return back, and I do see that more of the physical stores will start to open back up. This stock is not overvalued in any means, in my opinion. I think there's still tons of room to run up. This stock, by the end of 2021, could easily be around the $200 average price target from analysts, including Wedbush and Wells Fargo. They also provided an incredibly strong guidance on Investor Day, basically raising their forecasts for 2021. They're thinking that their comps in terms of growth are going to come in around 19 to 24% in the United States, and in China it'll be anywhere between 27 to 32%, which is absolutely incredible when you think about it, because there's also competitors like Luckin Coffee out in China, and the fact that they can outrun them is simply magnificent. Their projected sales that they've said for 2023 are supposed to be somewhere around $450 billion. So, investors, I don't think it's too late to jump on the Starbucks bandwagon, and I think that you should take a look at it, even with the declines that they've had over this past year in 2020. They've got a lot of new stores that they're building in the works, and a return to prior growth rates is just around the corner, and there is still a ton of time to take advantage of it. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit the like button and definitely do subscribe. I'll continue to provide more plays, more info, more analysis on the stock market and just different companies and different stocks as we continue on this journey to wealth. Thank you.